Okay guys, I just got these AA batteries off Amazon. These are 1.5 1200 milliamp batteries. I left a link down below so you can read on a little bit more yourself. So y'all stay tuned. I'll give you my opinion and tips on using these batteries. Okay guys, so when you take out the battery, it's going to look like that. I only bought 2 of these. It was $10, but you can buy as many as you want. And after I bought this 1200 milliamp battery, I did see another one that without the USB charging capability that was 2800. So that's more than double the capacity of this. But it was also double the cost. So all I wanted is something in my remotes. I would not charge these in nickel metal hydride chargers because these are 1.5 volt. Your standard nickel metal hydride battery is 1.2. So you're never going to be fully charged and you're not going to be happy with this. These, when charging them, they plug into USB. You'll definitely need individual circuits to charge these because they have circuitry in the battery that prevents overcharge and undercharge. So if you charge them in a series end to end, when the first battery or whichever battery is charged, it's going to break that circuit. So both batteries will not be fully charged. Let's plug these into a USB port and see what it looks like. So when you're ready to charge, you simply slide off the cap, exposing the USB plug, and you slide the USB plug into a USB port. Of course, it only goes one way. And you'll see a red light around the base showing it's actually charging. So as soon as the batteries are charged, you'll see a green ring around the bottom of it. It takes these about hour and a half to charge. This is a USB 3 connection, so it's a higher amperage. So it does feed the battery more juice. So this would depend on what USB you plug into is how fast they actually charge. So after you have your batteries charged, I used mine in my Roku and they work very well. They fit the standard AA slot as long as the cap has been secured back on it with no problems. And I listen to my news at night, just listen, I don't watch it on TV, and I really enjoy that I can plug in my headset, listen, and then charge these when they're dead. I was using nickel metal hydride batteries, and 2 of these cost about the same as 2 of these. So the milliamps in this battery is 2400. So it's twice the capacity of this, but I've noticed that these seem to degrade real fast, and after a while they just won't charge. Whereas these are supposed to be good for 1000 charges. So newer technology. Hopefully it lives up to its name. I haven't tested longevity, but that's a long time. I was also using batteries like this. These are non-rechargeable lithium batteries. They last a very long time. And these are good to use in fire detectors, locks, things like that, where you want to make sure that you still have the detection you need. The problem with using these type batteries in your fire detectors or locks, they have a discharge circuitry. So as soon as they reach the minimal voltage, the circuit shuts them off. So you won't be able to open that door, or that fire detector won't smell that smoke. That would be hazardous. So if this was informative, And you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, it looks like that. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you have feedback or comments, leave that down below. And also, if you're interested in health and wellness, I have links down below for that too. The supplements me and my wife use to hopefully live a little longer. And then combating inflation. Well, I have links down below for if you're getting started, investment opportunities, Acorn and Stash. If you use my links, it gives you $5 for Acorn and me $5. So it's a win-win. But you have to plan for your future. So y'all please take care.